Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing on this thing. This is the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier Edition. Um, I was taking my time on deciding which watch to replace this. This is going to replace my Asus Zenwatch 2. I considered the Zenwatch 3, but in the end, and other watches like Huawei and stuff like that, the Fossil watch. But in the end, I decided to get this, the S3 Gear Edition, because I do have a Note, and from the reviews that I watched, it works even better if you have a Samsung phone, and I do have the Note 8. This is the LTE edition. There are two versions of the Gear S3, Frontier and Classic. The difference between the Frontier and the Classic is the Frontier is more rugged. On Samsung's website, it says it's military grade ruggedness, whatever that means. And so this is the Frontier edition. Uh, Let me give you guys some quick specs. The watch is a 1.3 has a 1.3 inch round screen. That's one of the other things why I considered upgrading too. Besides this dying down on me pretty quickly, the battery on this Asus is because it's becoming very unresponsive, and the battery would die down faster. And also, all the new watch faces coming out now for most of your smart watches are all round watch faces. So when you try to put a round watch face onto a square watch face, it doesn't fit well. So that's another big reason why I wanted to upgrade. So like I said, this one is the LTE version. There's two versions, just a Wi-Fi version and an LTE version. It has GPS. It has a heart rate monitor, which this one didn't have, which I missed from my older Gear watch. I had one of the first Gear watches from Samsung, and I believe that one had a heart rate monitor too. This one did not have one. This one is not water resistant. The Gear S3 Frontier Edition is IP67 water resistant, just like your Note 8 and S line of phones. So it's got a 1.3-inch round screen, 360 by 360 pixels. It's got an Exynos 7270 dual core processor with 768 megabytes of RAM and 4 gigabytes of storage. It's got 380 it's got a 380 milliamp per hour battery. And like I said, this one is the LTE version, so you can actually leave your phone at home and make calls from this watch right here. And if you're on T-Mobile, this watch will set you back an extra $26 a month. That's $16 per month for the equipment, and $10 extra for the phone plan. But the good thing with T-Mobile is that if I want to, which I will, I'll pay off the equipment plan before I even before I'll pay extra for the equipment, so I won't get that extra monthly fee for equipment charges. And it's got Gorilla Glass 4 or 3, I guess. It would have been nice if it was Sapphire Glass instead, because I believe Sapphire Glass is tougher. It's a the Let's open it up first, and we can go through the specs as we go through. So here is the box. It already got opened up before at the store because I had to get my number set up and everything. So they opened it at the store. So here it is unboxed, and there's the watch with the screen. There's a plastic cover protecting it. And so here, this watch face is made out of, or the bezel is made out of stainless steel, 316L stainless steel. Let's remove the plastic. Now, I already worn this, and here's the default watch face. And also by default, the always on display actually will turn off if for a few seconds, and then you have to go through that motion. See, it turns off it turns off, and then you have to like flick your wrist to like turn it back on. So it's not always on by default. You have to, I guess, put it in the settings to always on. I don't know what the battery charging it is. It on now? You can change the watch faces, which a lot of reviewers fail to miss, and you can replace these straps right here. I ordered some metal bands for it, which will be coming in soon. And I'm also going to order the NATO or nylon straps, like the military ones, canvas straps. So let's open up the rest of the box and get this over with. There was also a plastic protective cover where the heart rate monitor was on here. And okay, so this is stainless steel. The watch bezel is stainless steel. Um, the watch band, this default one, is, I believe, silicone rubber. And I already worn it. Let me put it on again. I have a kind of small wrist. I have, like, depending if I'm competing or not, or dieting down or not, I usually, my wrists are normally 7.5 inches. So I'm like right about here on this. See, there it is. So if you have bigger wrist, you might have problems with this watch band. It has two of these straps or holders, whatever. So there it is on my wrist. And let's compare it with my Zenwatch. This is the default on the screen right now. So here it is compared to the Zenwatch by size. Let's go side to side for thickness. So it's a bit thicker than the Zenwatch 2. But the Zenwatch 2, as you can see, does not have that heart rate sensor. And this is not IP67 water resistant. The Gear S3 Frontier is. And I believe these are quick release straps too. Yeah, these are quick release straps, just like on the Zenwatch right here. So that's pretty cool. So let's go through the rest of this. So right here you have your cable for charging, and it's micro USB, as you can see. It is not USB-C, so that's kind of disappointing, kind of. Here, I believe, is your charging dock. And you also get an extra strap, as you can see, probably for, it looks like an extra strap for smaller wrists, but they should have included an extra strap for bigger wrist. It would have been nice if Samsung would have included a different type of strap, like a nylon canvas strap or even a metal strap watch band. Well, I mean, you're already paying a premium for this. I believe the Wi-Fi version of this watch is like $279. And what else do we get here? So this is the wall plug for it. And of course you got your instruction manuals. So they, like I said, they already had this set up at the store. They installed the Gear Gear S3 app and everything like that on there already. So that's all you get. The charging plug, the cable, which is not USB-C, it's micro USB. You get your charging dock. You get an extra strap for smaller wrist. Should have been for bigger wrist. Well, but oh well, you get an extra strap, so that's all that counts. You get extras. So that's all that's included in the box, and that is the unboxing for now. I'm gonna try it out for a few days, make some phone calls with it and everything. Sorry for my voice. I haven't been doing any reviews because I've been pretty busy, and I've been catching. I don't know if I got a cold or I just caught a sore throat or whatever. But anyways, this is the unboxing. Everybody take care and stay tuned for another video. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you soon.